Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Anjali. So in today's video, I'll be doing this smoky eye look along with some tips and tricks which will make you look more presentable and beautiful. So if you are interested, then you should definitely keep on watching. Also, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Starting off with moisturizer, I am using this one from Lacto Calamine. On my lips, I am applying this lip balm from Biotic. Now quickly I am going to do my brows. On my eyes, I am applying the Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer for an even base for my eye makeup. I am using my finger to blend it in. Now for a creamy dark base, I am using little amount of black kajal because it will enhance the intensity of the eyeshadow when applied over it. And also the product will stick on very well. Now I am taking black eyeshadow on my eyeshadow brush and I am applying it on the kajal I have applied. Now I am taking a nude brown eyeshadow on my brush and I am applying it right above my crease. Now using a blending brush, I'll soften out the edges. For foundation, I am taking this Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. I always like to apply and spread my foundation using my fingers. In this way, the beauty blender or buffing brush doesn't absorb a lot of product. Using a blending brush, I'll blend my foundation in a tapping motion. concealer, I am using this one from Maybelline. It's their Age Rewind concealer. Also, it's a shade lighter than my skin tone, which will also brighten up the areas. I'm using this stick from NY Bae to contour my face. To set my makeup, I am using the Maybelline's Fit Me Loose powder. Now I am using this black eyeshadow on my lower lash line using a thin pencil brush. After applying the black eyeshadow, I am taking the same brown eyeshadow and blending it off. Adding some color on cheeks gives the effect of a healthy looking skin. For highlighter, I am using this one from Maybelline. It's their Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I have done my lipstick off camera. Yeah, that's it. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet.